Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's quick video, I'll show you how to reveal the eBay best-selling items. So let's launch straight into it. Step 1 is to find the top selling eBay categories, and to do this, click on Shop by Category, then All Categories. Now, the big thing to note here is eBay always shows the best or top performing categories at the top, and the lowest performing categories at the bottom. So for this example, I'm using eBay Australia. The top category in eBay Australia is currently clothing, shoes and accessories. And the second most popular category is home and garden, etc. So the next step is to find the category identification number for one or more of these categories. Every category in eBay has its own unique identification number. To see the category identification number, simply mouse over a category name using a browser like Google Chrome, and at the bottom left, you'll see the category identification number. For this example, the outdoor power equipment category number is 29518. You can mouse over any category here and eBay will show you the category identification number for any category. Okay, now that we have the category number, head over to Scarcity Manager and click on eBay Dashboard and Research, then eBay Bestsellers. If you don't have an account with Scarcity Manager offers a free 14-day trial so you can try it out for yourself. Now enter the category number, i.e. 29518, and click on the category name. Now Scarcity Manager will show you the best selling items in this category. For this example, the top selling item has sold 236,974 times since it was first listed. Now you can also choose which country, and if you click on the link at the left hand side, you can also see the exact item live on eBay. If you also want to know what I found after over 25 years selling on eBay to be the #1 secret to success for eBay beginners, make sure you check out this video up here, and I'll put a link below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up as it helps the channel, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.